We're going to talk about how to make and perform the Torn and Restored contract, which was originally the Torn and Restored newspaper. Very simple piece to build, very simple to perform. Just you watch and see. So first we're going to talk about how to create the contracts. We're going to start by having two pieces of paper. One of them is going to be the McCarty contract, and the other one is going to be the Alex contract. We're going to do it twice, once with different colored pieces of paper so that you can see exactly what's happening. So there we have two pieces of paper for each set. We're done with the marker. We are going to take the Alex sheets and we are going to fold them so that they will open up facing the audience. We are going to fold them first in thirds, approximately. And then we're going to fold them in thirds again. You'll want to do it so that all of the marker is as well hidden as possible. You will flip over the McCarty contract and you are simply going to glue stick the Alex contract that is now folded in thirds to the back of the McCarty contract. When you glue it, you want to make sure that the flap that's going to open up first is going to open downwards so that, once again, if something flies loose, it doesn't fly loose so that the whole audience sees. We're going to do the exact same thing here. Let's see. And voila, we're done with the glue stick. Yeah, it's a little too close to the edge. The reason we fold it in thirds is that you want to be able to tear the contract in half without revealing the bit behind it.